implemented AI into the dialogue of every character, you could have infinite conversations with anyone.
Well, that sounds cool. If you've been on YouTube this year, you've probably seen this comment. The Waffle House has found its new host. Now, who started this trend? It's Jonny Razor. His most recent video is him coming up with a bad idea for a game. The game has NPCs powered by AI, and they can talk to the player, do their quests with them, or do other shenanigans. Now, I thought this was cool, so I decided to make it. Now, I'm going to explain how it works and show you a little demo. For those who don't want to insist in my explanation, go to the timestamp on the screen. First, we need to know how our AI is going to act. Now, since this is Razor's idea, let's see how he thinks the AI should act.
So this is how the system would work. Each NPC will be given several attributes. They will have one of 16 personalities taken from the Myers-Briggs personality test. There will be one of 10 races, which gives them different cultural backgrounds. Will be one of 5 age groups, which gives them different life experience. And will be from one of 5 classes, like lower class, middle class, that sort of thing. So if you multiply all of these traits, you are given 4,000 unique NPCs that have the potential to do anything. And that's not to mention professions, skills, goals. Like, there are so many things that you could add, but for the sake of this hypothetical game, let's say that they each have 3 goals, a main one and 2 secondary ones. The main goal would be like their dream, like living in a mansion, killing a dragon, something like that. While the secondary ones are more realistic, short-term goals like finding a job, finding a girlfriend, going on a walk right now, or going to...
This might be hard. To start off with the traits, we have a list is full of traits, and they are chosen at random. Now, that was easy, but there's something missing, the AI itself. Now, before we get on to full-on conversations, let's start small. Our AI needs a job and tasks to do, so let's get to the AI to generate it for us. Now, I would be creating and making AI from scratch, so let's just use GPT-3. Now, some of you may be asking, why not GPT-4? Just look at the pricing, and that should answer your question. After I hooked up some code, we can now generate jobs and taxes for the AI to. Now, let's handle conversations. This should be hard. Oh wait, I can just use GPT 3.5. For all of you who don't know what that is, it's the API version of ChatGPT. So after making one huge prompt so the AI could act like it should, it works. Now here's the demo. Okay, I know you're all probably wondering, where are the graphics, quests, and lots of NPCs? Well, I kind of don't want... Oh wait, someone is not... Okay, fine, I'll add quests. Well, the moment you've all been waiting for is the newer and better improved version of my game. Now, it may look the same, but it is different. So let's just talk to NPC. We can say, do you want to go on a quest for diamonds? Then we can say to Diamond Mountain. And as we can see, the moment this is done, oh, they actually recognize the delay response. Now that's actually really cool. Never even thought I could do that. Yeah, it's scary. But as we can see, our quest has been initiated on Diamond Mountain. Okay. So now we can tell it to follow me. I will take you to Diamond Mountain. Then, well, because there's no actual locations or any graphics to locate where we are, we can just say we are there. We kind of just have to lean it because there's no location and stuff. But, of course, it still works. Let's get some diamonds. Okay. So, yeah, he doesn't know how to mine, so I'm just going to tell him to stay here and take guard. And yeah. That is Quests. Over. And now, our quest will be over. You'll see whenever there is a delay, usually means the AI is doing something with quests, or it's just during a super duper long response that can be very annoying. But yeah, those are quests. Now you're probably still wondering where's the graphics on more NPCs. Well, I suck at making sprites, and adding more NPCs would cause my bank account to go into a deep depression. Because, you know, of course, this costs money. Well, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next video or live stream. Peace.